So guys, suppose we are doing some kind of challenge and for that we want to put a timer or stopwatch on our video. So how to do it? It's really simple. Let's move our playhead to the start of the clip. Then go to effect and search for time code. Left click, hold, drag and drop over our clip. So now we have our stopwatch. Now how to customize? Go to left side, effect control, or from here select the effect control. Then if we go down, here we have our time code. If we want to change the position of the stopwatch, then the size, then the opacity. If you don't want this, just uncheck it. Then we have two format. One is this default stopwatch and another is the frame. The time code source, now it's on media, as you can see, normal counting. Now if we press on C and cut somewhere and change the source from media to clip for both sides, the counting will restart every time it have a new clip. Suppose we want only this part. So for that, make a new adjustment layer, bring it to the timeline, effect, time code, zoom in, grab the pen from effect control to mask. That's the only solution. We can lower down the opacity. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.